Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. And if you're new, welcome. So I got some shades of blue from Snow Dream. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, it was really cheap. I think it was 6 gel polishes for $6.99, I think it was, or $7.99. And I love blue gel polishes. So this brings 6 different tones of blue. So I'm dying to open this up and show you. I've tried this brand before and they're good quality, so I'm expecting the same quality for these. Oh, it brings more. I thought it was 6. It's not. It's 8. If I could get this out. Oh boy, let me get the whole thing out. Is this the one that I thought I am I getting confused with something else? Because I remember it was supposed to be all blue. Let me just open these two up and see. Oh, okay, no. I bought something else. My bad. I had ordered, I guess that one hasn't come in yet. It was 6 shades of blue. So this is not it. Which was this one? Or did they mess up my order? Okay, here's another blue. Okay, I think this is the one. It's just, it has a silver in there too. I gotta look for the email, because honestly, I remember it was just blue. Here's another blue. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, clear, I'm assuming this is the top coat? Base coat. Okay, so this is the order. Everything's blue except for one silver, which looked pretty. And this is a top coat. Okay, base and top coat, perfect. This is the order that I got right here, including the base and the top coat. So this is the order that I bought. I just didn't know it included the base and the top coat. So I'm ready to swatch these colors. Time to swatch. Let's start in order. Move these out of the way. And let's start with this one. This is so metallic. In person, it is so metallic. I'm gonna pop that in the lamp for a minute. Here it is with 2 coats. Now I'm going to use their top coat. It's a no wipe top coat. I love that even more. I don't have to clean it. So this is gorgeous. Gorgeous metallic silver. here it is with 2 coats and the top coat. These are all the colors swatched. I did 2 coats to all of them except for this one. This one I did 3 coats, but the rest only 2. Very beautiful. I love this silver. This metallic silver is gorgeous. This one and this one's my favorite too. I love them all. Let me know which one is your favorite. If I find the link, if it's still available, I'm gonna post it in the description box below in case you're interested. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.